All right, well, welcome back to springtime. And you can see my garden's a little different than last year because we moved out more rural, and this is a little bigger than my 16 by 12 raised bed. It's the first year for this area. It looked like this, and truthfully it looked like that when I started working on it. So this year will be tough for the quality of the soil, but we'll do what we can. So we've got all kinds of shenanigans. We've had to go to a sprinkler for this side of the garden, and then that side down there we're still going to do drip line because there are 92 tomato plants, maybe 91. I think one's gone. And then pretty much ringing the whole thing around is squash and melons and things. This whole pile is corn. It's been in the garden less than a week. Pretty much none of this has germinated. But we got an opportunity here to grow. Gosh, I think this is all Brussels sprouts. This would be a dozen. All this back here along the edge is gourds, like winter, squash cross gourds. There's some cucumbers. Those are rows of black-eyed peas. Those are rows of onions. Yeah, onion sets. Here's an open area that is not utilized quite yet. And then right there is a row of peppers, and then it's all peppers in there. Tons of peppers. And eggplant. And then down here is, like I said, there's 8 rows of 10 tomatoes. And then there's 12 or a dozen-ish, roughly, hinds down at the end. And those are bush tomatoes, not like pole tomatoes. So they will not be part of the Florida weave, which I have 10-foot T-posts this year. And then way in the back, another video later, I put, I think it's 8 apple and 1 peach back there. So far so good. The garden was super hot this last week. Very worried about these plants, but some of them are really fighting back. Some of them broke. Like they folded in half, and I just buried that real deep, and they've survived. They're tough. But you can see the grass is making its comeback, especially in there. So there'll be a lot of hoeing and tilling to do here. It's going to be pretty much horrible. But we're going to fight it this year. It's going to be a war against the weeds. So maybe we'll go with till and preen. I don't know. We'll use harmful chemicals as much as we can. So hopefully a lot of garden updates this year. I'm very excited for this garden. Probably going to be some videos about this monster and fixing it up, whatnot. It needs a lot of work. All the windows are broken. The door fell off. There's a lot of doors and windows. The roof's got rough spots. And then over here, that's a 40 by 60 shed. It's not in good shape either. For some reason I have hiccups. So I guess I'll sign off here, but looking forward to this. It's gonna be a fun year.